How to download and import. First collect the password from video and go to Google and search Aman presets. First website is mine. Go to that website and search the respective LUT you want to download. Now type Teal and Orange Cinematic LUT. And hit enter. Here it is, the cinematic LUT you want to download, Teal Orange Cinematic LUT. Click that and read. If you want to read, you can read this and download it, or scroll down and see, you will get download the LUT button. Click that and please wait for 25 seconds. Now you can click here. Now type the password you got from the video to download this cinematic LUT. Yes, now you can see download symbol. Please press that and now hit download. Select Google Drive. Select whichever email you want. Now click triple dot and hit download button, and it's done. Now you can see how to import this LUT and use it. You can use this video LUT in all these softwares. Now I am showing in mobile. For an example, open VN editor and follow the steps to use and import. Choose any of the video you want to use the LUT. Select filter and hit the plus button. Now follow the steps. See, the downloaded LUT is here. You can tap that and import. Yes, it's done. Look, the result is awesome. See, you can now see the before and after. This is a cinematic LUT. If you like this premium cinematic LUT, please like, share and subscribe and support me so that I can provide you more free stuff. And subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.